lessons. Oh, Henry, please, let's not go into that again. Well, don't you want your daughter to be graceful? Don't be funny, please! Well, what's this? What? Look, it's a letter from Lucy. It says, having a good time. Love Lucy? What? Why, of course I'm upset. The poor child is probably miserable. I am not going to extremes. The counselors probably forced her to write this letter. That's it. They forced her. Oh. I'm going to go up there right now and bring her home. Oh, you men. You're so hard-hearted. Well, then, I'll call her. Hello, Camp Wahoo? Yes, this is Miss Morris. I would like to speak to my daughter, Lucy. Yes, I'll wait. She's where? In the infirmary with her counselor? Well, why is she there? What happened? Is she hurt? Oh, the counselor is injured. What a relief. Well, why is she there with her? Sir, you must be mistaken. Well, I'm sorry the counselor is in pain, but my daughter does not bite. Yes, I'll wait for her. Henry, stop grinning. You look like a 55-year-old Cheshire cat. Besides, hello? Hello, baby. Who is this? Why, it's Mommy. Well, aren't you glad to hear from me? What do you mean you don't know? Well, I'm sorry you're missing your swimming lesson, but darling, aren't you homesick? Not even a little bit? Oh. Well, how's the food? Well, you never said that about my cooking. Yes, sweetie, I'm glad you're cleaning your plate. But I'm sure none of the cooks there ever won a blue ribbon for their apple jelly. I did, you know. Yes, what did you want to ask me? Well, no, I don't think you should stay 2 more weeks, dear. After all, I know you want to get back to your swimming lesson, but you want to talk to Daddy? Oh, well, all right. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, Henry, did you hear?